In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Ionos domain to Readymag. By the end, your domain will be properly pointed to Readymag so visitors can access your project using your own custom web address. First, make sure you're signed in to your Ionos account because everything we'll do happens inside the Ionos control panel. Once you're logged in, look for the main dashboard. On this page, you should see different tiles or sections for managing various parts of your account like websites, email, and domains. You'll want to locate and click on the tile labeled Domains and SSL. This is where Ionos keeps all domain-related settings, including DNS, which is what controls where your domain points on the internet. After you click Domains and SSL, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. From that list, select the specific domain you want to connect to Readymag. Take a moment to double check that you're picking the right one, especially if you manage multiple domains. Choosing the correct domain here is important because any changes you make will affect where visitors end up when they type that address into their browser. Once your domain is selected, look for the DNS settings. In Ionos, this is usually under a tab called DNS. Go ahead and click the DNS tab. This section controls how your domain behaves behind the scenes, including which server it points to. That's exactly what we're going to adjust so it connects to your Readymag project. Inside the DNS area, you'll see a list of DNS records. These might look a bit technical, but the good news is we only need to work with one specific record. You're looking for the record where the host, sometimes called the name, is the @ symbol, and the type is A. The host represents the root of your domain, meaning the plain version of your domain without any subdomains. Once you've located the A record with host you're going to edit it. There should be an option to modify or edit this record. When you open it, you'll see a field called points to or destination or something similar, depending on your interface language. This field tells your domain which server it should connect to. Change the points to value to the following IP address, 54.194.4114. It's a good idea to type this carefully and double check each number, since a single digit out of place can prevent your site from loading correctly. You don't need to change the type. It should remain as an A record. Just update the destination to that exact IP address. When you've entered 54.19944114, go ahead and save your changes. Look for a save or apply button and confirm if prompted. After saving, your A record for the root domain now points to the Readymag server. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't always update instantly across the entire internet. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours for everything to fully propagate. If your site doesn't load right away at your custom domain, give it some time and try again. That's all you need to do. You've connected your Ionos domain to Readymag by updating the A record in your Ionos control panel.